Hello everyone, this is Sarah from the Origami Gamers, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this cute pop-up birthday box card. So you're gonna need these few things: colored cardstock, pattern paper, scissors, hole punch. I'm going to start off by drawing 5 squares measuring 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, one as the base and 4 around it for each flap. Fold the flaps and you're gonna get this basic structure for the box card. Now draw and cut 3 squares measuring 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters each from a lighter shade of pink. Now I'm going to cut 2 squares measuring 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters each from this cute pattern paper. Now I'm going to glue these squares on either side of the box card. In this way. Now on a pattern sheet of paper, draw a 10 by 10 centimeter square and around it 2 centimeter wide flaps. Fold and cut in this way and glue these flaps like this. This is going to be the lid of our box card. The basic structure of the card is ready and now it's time to decorate. I'm going to use strips of glitter sheet and I'm going to stick it around on the base of the card. Cute miniature birthday cake, I'm going to cut strips of white sheet. You can see these are of different sizes. Similarly, I'm going to cut circles. These are also going to be of different sizes. Glue these strips around the base of the cake like this. Stack and glue the tiers of the cake according to their sizes like this. To decorate the flowers, I've punched out baby pink and dark pink colored small flowers. To make them look 3D, I'm going to press them on a piece of eraser using a dotting tool. Now I'm going to apply glue on the cake and place these flowers in this pattern. Now I'm going to glue this cake at the base of our box card like this. Now I'm going to make a little banner. For that I'm going to cut 4 triangles, double-sided triangles like this. I'm going to attach it on a piece of string and I'm going to tie this banner on either side of the card in this way. Next, I made these number-shaped candles using a piece of glitter foam and I'm going to glue it on top of the cake like this. Now I'm going to decorate the rest of the flaps using these little quotations that I wrote on cute pieces of paper. You can stick photographs, you can make sliders, you can make pop-ups, you can do anything. It's customizable, it's absolutely up to you. My box is ready. I'm going to put a small tag I'm going to attach it under the lid using a string like this. So here's the final box. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.